Elevate your evening display with Kasco's most dynamic lighting options yet. Whether you have elected to go with the elegant W25 or the dynamic RGBW18, this video will walk you through how to assemble and install your lights on your Kasco unit. Grab one of your lighting fixtures and a stainless steel strap and slide it onto the light fixture, ensuring the strap is seated just under the standoff ribs and the bolting tab is centered between the cord grips. Now grab 2 bolts and matching nuts. Take the first set of these and secure them to the top hole in the stainless steel strap. Grab your stainless steel bracket and then secure using the remaining nut and bolt. Now use the snap-on light clip and firmly slide it onto the stainless steel bracket like this. Continue this process for all other fixtures, and if you are working with an RGBW18 kit, don't forget to do the control fixture. Once you are ready to attach these lights to a Kasco float, we have a few suggested orientations depending on the unit and its size. The main thing to remember is to equally space the light fixtures. The RGBW18 will have an extra control fixture that can be placed in between the other light fixtures. If you are installing the W25, you are ready to install your fountain into the water, as these lights will turn on once they are plugged in. If you are installing the RGBW18, now is the time to download the WBox app. This app is available for free on Google Play and App Store. Once you have downloaded the app for the first time, follow the prompts to create an account within the app. On your device, go to your Wi-Fi settings in your phone and connect to the lights. The light Wi-Fi name will start with Kasco Lights RGBW18 and then a series of unique numbers. Once you are connected, return to the WBox app and click Add Device to Account. Once on the home screen of your app, you can toggle your RGBW lights on and off using the button on the top of the screen. Color adjustments can be done either on the color wheel or by picking one of the 9 presets along with dimming abilities and brightness controls. If you would like to use one of the preset effects, click the Effects tab on the very bottom. With each effect, you can adjust the timing of the sequence as well as design a custom effect. For more details on how to create custom schedules, presets, or effects, please check out Kasco's app tutorial video. There's a link in the description. Now your Kasco fountain or surface aerator is ready to be installed for you to enjoy an infinite number of sequences, colors, and timing options. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the business will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.